tutorials, I'm coming to generate a code that will tell you your age. So that way it's too much time. Let's dive in. Yeah. I want it to be listed now so that the code is more attractive. That's why SOUT is shortcut for System.out.print. You just have to press Control and space on your keyboard to generate it. What I come to do is I'm come to initialize a new variable called age.nextInt. That is what I'm coming to use it to do my calculation. So current year minus year one. So yes, okay. Now print it out. My age is 20. Just cool, man. Just cool. Thanks for staying with me. This is again Codingchannel. If you have subscribed, do it and subscribe. I will leave the code in the comment section below in case you want it. Guys, subscribe, like my video so that others will also get to see it. Stay tuned. See you in the next tutorials.